I'm single for a reason.
Take the vacation if you want it.
It's gonna be hard, but also a lot of fun.
Go fishing at least once a week.
Good advice. Take your own car with me.
Advice?
No advice?
Never stop dating each other.
Yes.
You'll fall in and out of love with the same person every day.
Oh.
Forgive each other often. Give a lot of grace.
Yes. And lots of kisses and cuddles.
Yes.
Yep. Okay.
Just take a second to look at each other, lock in this moment, and remember this feeling. Josh and Morgan, today you stand before God, our friends and family, to come together, not just in marriage, but in the beginning of a covenant.
Morgan, when I first met you, as you said, Bert, I knew you were going to be the person that I was going to marry. So, without hesitation, of course, I signed your letter because I knew well before that I was going to marry you. And I couldn't seem to get there fast enough. And I don't think that I would want to do this with anybody else. And I'm going to move forward. And I'm going to cherish every moment that I have with you until the end of my days. I love you.
Joshua. Oh, can't even get through your name. There are truly no words to express how grateful I am for you. I never believed in the old expression, when you know, until we had our first hug. I knew in that moment you were it for me. I promise to always keep your needs and dreams at the forefront of my mind, and I trust you with my whole heart. I cannot wait to witness the rest of our lives together. I love you.
It is now my great joy and honor to pronounce you husband and wife. Joshua, you may kiss your bride.